Meteorologist Joe Bastardi, your Go Salt Weekly Winter Update. Here's what we've got through Tuesday morning now. Wednesday morning could be interesting around New York City and on toward Boston here as we get a little bit of a clipper come down. And very late Tuesday night into Wednesday, snow is going to try to develop from the city northeastward up into southeast New England. It's a narrow band, but it's a real, coming at rush hour, could be a real pain in the neck. Then out it goes. And then most of the action the rest of the week is up to the north over here, as you can plainly see. Lots of freezing rain up across the north and into New England there for this upcoming week, and we've got some sleet going on with it too. The temperatures look like this. The coming summer is definitely showing up in the plains, but the remnants of winter to the north there. And here's your total snowfall. The models have just been grossly overdone on snow this year. I mean, really ridiculously overdone. I totaled up. We've had about 15 inches in New York, but when we haven't had really anything since late January. Late January is predicting another 25 in New York. It's actually predicting a 40-inch season. I'm talking about ensembles. And what basically happened was the paths of snow, instead of being in the middle of the spread, one cluster was to the north and one cluster was to the south. Anyway, the reason why, the stubbornness, I've got, my family comes from the south of Italy, Calabria, all right? And the term capatos, which means hardhead, comes from that area. We have a negative NAO that's going to be developing in about 7 days, and the WPO is going negative. And it's funny because in Europe, the response to this is clearly going to be seen. It's going to be a cold, ugly April in Europe, for instance. And over the United States, it's forecasting the setup, but it's not pulling the trigger on the result, at least not yet. So, I I I still think, and maybe it comes Tuesday night, Wednesday, there's still some snow left in this winter, but we'll see how that works out. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.